Hello everyone, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, in a previous video we have learned about accounts payable, configurations and how to create vendor and how to post the invoice. Today we will learn about vendor payment with the T code F-53. What is the journal entry for vendor payment? So entry will be vendor account debit to bank or cash, and the vendor account reflects in two places. First is in individual account and in reconciliation account. So we will do the practical on SAP. Here first of all we will check the vendor account. We will check the report with the T code FPL 1N. Here we will give company code and select the vendor to which we have to pay the amount. Press F4 key, give company code. Here select this vendor. In a previous video we have posted the invoice in this vendor, so we will check the amount. Select the open item and execute. Here you can see that it is in red color because it is in open item. So on 20th we have posted this invoice with the 22,000 purchase raw material by the KR document. So today we will just pay to this vendor. Vendor number is this, vendor name is this. So now /O and F-53 to payment of this vendor. This is for post outgoing payment window. Here we will give the document date 21st of May, posting date. Document type is KZ for vendor payment and period is second, company code and INR for currency. Here if you want to give any reference, so you can give reference number, header text, and here we have to select the account, bank account. Press F4 key, enter. Select the bank account, outgoing bank. Amount is for 22,000. Value date 21st. Text vendor payment. Here we will select the open item. Press F4 key, enter. This Royal Choice and company vendor. Account type is K for vendor. Now click on this process open item. Here it is selected this amount. Here you can see the entered amount is 22,000 and assigned amount is 22,000 and balance is 0. If the balance is 0, then it can post the entry. So it is correct, you can check it here. Then click on this post. It is I am doing standard payment. There are two more options for partial and residual that we will learn in next videos. So today we are doing standard payment by 22,000. Click on this post. Here you can see document was posted in company code Tata. Now we'll get back. refresh it. Now we will check the report. FBL 3N. Company code and cleared items. Enter. Here you can see the document which we have posted today, that is 21st of May 2020 of 22,000 rupees is posted, because now it has changed the color in green. It is cleared. Green means it is for cleared. You can check in vendor line item also, FBL 1N. Here select this vendor, company code, open item. You can see that is now cleared, so there is no item, so we will select this now, cleared item. Now you can see KZ document type for payment, vendor payment, on today's date 21st of May 2020 it is cleared. So like this we can pay to vendor and check the reports. We will get back. So like this you can create vendor and vendor invoice book, then pay to vendors. Thank you. Have a nice day.